Okay, so my powder routine is a little possibly abnormal. I'm not sure, but I like to do it anyway. It just makes me feel comfortable. And you have to do what you feel beautiful in, right? So, I'm gonna start with the M Cosmetics Portrait Mode Refining Setting Powder. It comes with this little flat puff, and I'm sure that would be great on the go. I'm just not looking for that right now, so I very much coat my brush, which I'm using the N14 BK Beauty Nikki LaRose brush, and I hold the brush all the way at the end, and then I start on the inner corner, and I just push. And then I disperse it on my eyelid. Again, I'm using a pushing motion, like a pressing motion. And then I take it under my eye, like on my under eye too. Now you can use your favorite powder for this. You don't have to use this one. Whatever makes sense for you. Now I do the exact same thing on the other eye, but you see what a difference that made and how it sort of just evened everything out. And the reason I hold the brush at the very end is because I want there to be a light sort of hand in this, you know? And somehow still maintain control, but at the same time lightly pressing all over the eye. So now what I do is I kind of just get a little bit more sort of spread it out on my head a little bit. I go down my T-zone. Now the reason I'm not hitting my cheeks with this is because I'm going to go in with more powder. Okay, so T-zone. Now I'm going to put this powder away. And then I'm going to go into this Kosas Cloud Set powder. It's pressed. I know that they're releasing a loose version very soon. But as you can see, mine has been used and abused. I just kind of get it all over the brush again. And then I do the exact same thing right on top. And this will add a little bit of brightness because it's a pink shade. And I sort of take that around my cheeks. But just a little bit. Same thing on this side. Okay, so that's the Kosas. And now, the last part of my powder routine is taking some of my Huda Beauty powder in Cherry Blossom. And what I do is I take it with a big fluffy brush. This is a Real Techniques 201. It's just a nice big fluffy brush. So I tap in, tap out, and then I kind of just press it everywhere. Can't forget under, like where we put that cream contour before, underneath. It's very easy to forget that area because you may not look at it all the time, but so this is more for like, as you saw, like I did go over my eyes and everything, but this is more for like just mattifying sort of my the majority of my face. And there is a flawless base. So yeah, I mean, I feel confident just like going somewhere with just this on. Okay,